Hey guys, and welcome to our little chicken adventure. Yesterday we brought the chickens from basement to backyard, but their home didn't just appear there. First,
Air's been cleaned, kinda. Don't look over there yet. Measuring the spot for the shed. Hate this. Hate all that. So anyway, right at that thing. Still a pain in the ass though. Hey, Doug.
those 30 odd trips with the wheelbarrow destroyed my shoulders, but the fun had just begun. Originally we were going to build our own coop from the ground up. Eventually we moved to the idea of a pre-made coop, but either way, we needed a base to get things started. What do you think?
As you can clearly see, there's some support beams here, so a little extra support for when we put the top on. Those are optional, only if you're dumb. I added these, because of extra support. I originally wasn't going to, but I don't want our chickens to collapse. I know, weird. I left a little gap in the plywood intentionally for water runoff and dirt, whatever. I know they like to have dirt down here to scratch around on. There you go, there's the base.
Now remember back when I mentioned a pre-made coop? Well, it came. The postman delivered it just to us. He was a nice guy. Came in a box just like this. A little bigger, but whatever. Okay, so we've checked a lot of boxes so far, but the chickens aren't just going to be cooped up in their bin, and we can't put them in little hamster balls yet. So they need a walk, a run.
Good solid day of work on the chicken prep. Today we were able to do the run, the little door put in, a little lock. Started with our chicken wire. We're putting it on all the sides, top, maybe bottom a little bit. The kids rolling around, all coming together. What are you guys doing? Rolling away. All right.
Remember that gravel base with all those wheelbarrow rides and all that? Plot twist, had nothing to do with the coop. Bring in the shed. We got a shed. comes. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. And there you go. There's our adventure from chickens, little tiny baby guys, to the outside and their new little coop there. If you guys like what you see, stick around for more videos. We're going to follow them. I'll introduce you to them in a different video. We named them all after TV personalities that we like. So click like, hit subscribe, do all those fun things, yada yada yada. If you want to see more builds that we do, you can click over here. If you want to see some trips, check here. If you want to see some time lapses, check there. Thanks guys for watching, and I'm gonna go take care of these chickens. Thanks for the help.